Hello kids, today we are going to learn about my likes and dislikes. Let's learn about first like and dislike. When you get a chocolate or an ice cream, you feel like having more. That is because you like it. Is there any particular game that you do not like to play? What are the things that you do not like about that game? We may like or dislike things or places. We may also like or dislike food, smells, books, movies, or sports. The songs we listen to or the toys we play with are based on our likes or dislikes. Second, the reasons for differences in likes and dislikes. Do all of your friends like the same food? No. It is because different types of food items are cooked in their houses. Some food items that you eat may not be cooked at their houses. People like or dislike food items based on their smell, taste, and sight. Some people like spicy food. Some people dislike the smell of garlic, fish, meat, egg, and so on. So they do not include these things in their food. How do we know if we like or dislike something? We say we like or love something when we are happy to have it or enjoy doing it. For example, if you feel like getting up and dancing every time you hear music, you can say you like music and dancing. Liking something makes you do it more often. If you dislike something, you do not want to do it. Third, how something that we like may not be good for us. Do you know that you may not always be allowed to do what you like? You want to eat ice cream, chocolates, french fries, and burgers, but your parents do not always buy those for you. These are not so healthy food choices. We should avoid them. You may want to play in the rain, but your parents say no. Why? We may catch a cold and fever. We may fall ill. Make a list of the things that you like to do but allowed to do only sometimes. Do you know how we understand different tastes? It is our tongue that helps us understand different tastes. Some food items taste sweet, some salty, some taste sour, and some taste spicy. Thank you.